Are you ready to move downtown Greenville? I've got something special for you. Come with me while I tell you a little bit about our new product in County Square, Solaire. We have two different floor plans for the buyers to choose from. The first one is the Hazley. You can walk in on your first floor into the kitchen, dining, and living area. Beautiful open floor plan. You can also come in at your garage. We have a 2-car garage underneath with optional golf cart storage, rec room, or office space. Following upstairs, we have the open floor plan living, dining, and kitchen area with a walk-in pantry and half bath. On your second floor, we have the primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and bathroom, laundry area, and a second bedroom. Up to the third floor, you can enjoy your beautiful loft area, walking out onto your terrace, looking at County Square. The second floor plan that we have is the Kennedy. It's 2379 square feet, and it is 4 stories with a rooftop terrace as well. You walk into the first floor into your foyer area. You have access to your 2-car garage, and you also have an optional study or rec room area. We have an elevator or stairs that you can choose to take up to the next 3 floors. Moving up to the second floor, you have your main living space. It's got your dining room, kitchen, and living area. Moving up to the third floor, we have the primary bedroom and bathroom, a laundry room, and the second bedroom. Moving all the way up to the fourth floor, we have your entertainment area with a loft, wet bar, outdoor terrace, and a third bedroom. Now these are our 2 floor plans that we offer buyers, but the options are endless. We can customize things such as golf cart storage, outdoor fireplaces and kitchens on your terrace, an expanded kitchen towards the back of the townhome, butlers, pantries, loft, wet bars, and so much more. So enough about the specs of the house. I know everyone wants to see what they're gonna look like. So for that, we have our designer, Kristen, who can help us show everything in the house.
Thanks, Lane. We have 3 collections that we're offering. One is Warmth, which we have right here, that has warmer colors to it with some accents of hexagon tile for the floors and a little bit of warmer wood floors for the foundation. And the next design we have is Linen, where it's just a little bit more lighter and brighter with touches of warmth in your floor and interest again in tile with the herringbone floor here and gold accents. And lastly, we have our Sage collection, which touches on some current colors like the sage green here, chrome accents with a little foundation of warmth in the floor. So these are our 3 collections, and if that doesn't hit the mark and you want to make it a little bit more personalized experience, you can join me here in the Design Center where we offer a curated experience in all of the areas like the flooring, tile, lighting, and just make it yours. So if you're interested in Solaire, reach out to our team and we would love to help you out.